Welcome to the top best. The best tubular mascara is probably one of the most transformative beauty products available, capable of instantly defining and enhancing your eyes with a unique, smudge-proof finish that traditional mascaras often struggle to achieve, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their makeup game and achieve long-lasting, dramatic lashes without the usual fuss. Number 5. Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Introducing the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Get ready for a full fan effect that lengthens and volumizes your lashes like never before. Its unique applicator fans out lashes for an incredible, multiplied look. Achieve a stunning, wide-eyed appearance with every coat. Experience the deepest black shade for dramatic definition. This intense blackest black formula ensures your eyes stand out. This mascara doesn't just lengthen, it also provides incredible volume. Enjoy beautifully defined and fuller-looking lashes all day long. Enjoy the benefits of dramatic lashes with the ease of a washable formula. It's simple to apply and even easier to remove. Make it your everyday essential for captivating lashes. This mascara delivers sensational results, making it a must-have in your makeup bag. What we like? This mascara delivers a full fan effect for beautifully fanned-out lashes. It provides both lengthening and volumizing benefits in a washable formula. If you're looking for an everyday mascara that gives a dramatic yet natural look without clumping, this is a great choice. What people say. This mascara is a game changer for me. It applies smoothly and evenly, coating each lash from root to tip without clumping. The formula is lightweight, so it doesn't weigh down my lashes, and it holds a curl beautifully throughout the day. I love how it lengthens and separates my lashes, giving them a dramatic, fanned-out look. Plus, it's smudge-proof and doesn't flake, even after a long day. I've tried countless mascaras, but this one is by far the best. The brush design is excellent, reaching even the shortest lashes in the inner corners. It provides incredible volume and length without any stiffness. My lashes look fuller and longer, and the effect lasts all day. It's also surprisingly easy to remove with just warm water, which is a huge plus. Number 4. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Brown Mascara. Discover the Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Brown Mascara. Achieve stunning volume and length with every application. This formula is designed to define and curl your lashes, providing incredible length without clumping or flaking. Enjoy smudge-proof wear all day long. It's also easily washable, making removal a breeze. Feel good about your beauty choices. This mascara is cruelty-free and proudly made in Europe. The shade 05 Brown offers a beautiful, natural-looking enhancement for your eyes. It's the perfect addition to your makeup routine. Experience dramatic volume and captivating length that lasts. This mascara delivers on its promise of beautiful lashes. What we like? Experience a softer, more natural look with this brown mascara. It excels at defining and curling lashes while remaining smudge-proof throughout the day. If you prefer a subtle enhancement or have lighter hair and want a less intense look, this is perfect for you. What people say. This mascara is amazing, it doesn't smudge or flake at all. It's easy to remove with just water, which is a huge plus. The brush is designed to reach every lash, giving a great lift and volume. Number 3. Honest Beauty 2-in-1 Extreme Length Mascara Plus Lash Primer. Introducing the Honest Beauty 2-in-1 Extreme Length Mascara and Lash Primer. It's your secret weapon for stunning lashes. This innovative formula works to both lengthen and volumize your lashes. Get the dramatic look you desire with just one product. Crafted with care, it's cruelty-free and safe for sensitive eyes. You can feel good about what you're putting on your lashes. Achieve a deep, intense black finish that enhances your eyes. It provides beautiful definition and impact. The dual-ended design makes application a breeze. Prime your lashes and then coat them for ultimate length and volume. Experience the best of both worlds with this powerful mascara and primer combo. It's everything you need for gorgeous lashes. What we like? Get dual action with this innovative 2-in-1 mascara and lash primer. Its clean formula is designed to be safe for sensitive eyes, providing both lengthening and volumizing. If you have sensitive eyes or want to prep your lashes for maximum impact, this is the ideal option. What people say. As soon as I put it on, my lashes grew over twice in length. It didn't clump and separated my lashes like whoa. It dried in about 20 seconds and then I put on the coal black mascara. Instant fabulous lashes. So far I have experienced zero flaking after wearing for long periods of time. It hasn't smudged or melted when I'm dancing up a storm or getting my workout on, and the length of my lashes is practically miraculous. Separates lashes and allows mascara on evenly. No more clumpy. No more grotesque globs. This mascara is very good for lengthening when you use the primer. I'm not sure I've noticed a volume thickness increase, but have noticed lash length does look longer. I usually give it about 30 seconds for the primer to dry before using the mascara, otherwise it does clump a bit. I would also recommend wiggling both wands along your lashes during application to avoid clumps. Number 2. Blinc Amplified Tubing Mascara. Introducing the Blinc Amplified Tubing Mascara, designed for a soft glam look that enhances your natural beauty. Achieve beautiful volume and definition with every application. Experience a new level of volume and definition that lasts all day. This mascara provides a stunning look without clumping or heaviness. Enjoy smudge-proof and flake-proof wear that stays put from morning to night. Its advanced formula ensures your mascara remains flawless, no matter what your day holds. Formulated with a natural bamboo blend, it gently conditions your lashes. This unique ingredient adds a touch of nature to your beauty routine. Specially created for sensitive eyes, it offers a comfortable and irritation-free experience. You can finally achieve dramatic lashes without compromise. Effortlessly remove your mascara with just water, making your nighttime routine a breeze. It's gentle on your skin and easy to clean. What we like? Achieve a sophisticated soft glam look with this tubing mascara. It's designed to be smudge and flake-proof for long-lasting wear, featuring a natural bamboo blend. If you need a mascara that stays put through long days and offers definition without transfer, this is your go-to. What people say. This mascara is amazing. It doesn't smudge or flake at all. It gives my lashes a beautiful lift and volume without clumping. The formula is lightweight and doesn't weigh down my lashes. Number 1. Blinc UltraVolume Tubing Mascara. Achieve dramatic volume and incredible length with our revolutionary mascara. It's designed to give your lashes a stunning, eye-opening effect. Experience superior curling power that lifts and shapes your lashes. Get a beautiful, upward sweep that lasts all day. Enjoy all day wear without worrying about smudges or flakes. This formula stays put, keeping your look flawless from morning to night. Infused with conditioning jojoba, it nourishes your lashes while you wear it. Your lashes will feel soft and healthy. Specially formulated to be safe for sensitive eyes. Plus, it's a vegan product, so you can feel good about your beauty choice. What we like? For ultimate drama, this mascara delivers dramatic volume and a powerful curling effect. Its vegan formula is long-wearing and flake-proof, ensuring your lashes look stunning all day. If you desire intensely voluminous and curled lashes with a conscious choice, this is the one to try. What people say. No raccoon eyes after a night of sleep or shower, no special cleanser oils needed for removal. This mascara is lengthening and volumizing. My husband thought I had gotten extensions when I first began using it. The best tubing mascara on the market. Others may be cheaper, but this one holds up all day long and does not rub off except when you want to remove it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.